G'day guys, it's Brady from SnapSolar here. I'm out here at Eton today at Peter's house and we've just installed a 40 kilowatt Aiko and Fronius system. So when we first were consulting with this customer, it was very clear that he wanted a tailored design for what his goals were and what his needs were when it comes to his property. And Peter was an awesome client because he'd done a lot of research into what products were reliable and would stand the test of time. And so along with the Aiko panel, he decided to go with the Fronius inverter, which is the Gen 24 range. And so even though batteries aren't sort of necessarily a goal for him at the moment, he wanted the Fronius inverter for their reliability and their longevity, but also for their battery compatibility in the future. All right, so that's enough chatter from me. Let's go inside, see Peter, and show you guys this amazing installation.
My name's Peter Windsor. I've lived here for probably 20 odd years, 25 years. I work out in mines as a fitter in the mines. Well, I had solar earlier, but a very early system, and it really never benefited me. I never saw any benefit out of it, you know what I mean? Yes, it lessened the bill a tiny amount, but never really made an impact on the bill. And my main focus on why I wanted solar was to just negate a bill totally and into the future, you know. So I want to like future-proof this place so that I have machinery here and that, like big compressors and you know, welders and so forth, and just wanted to be able to do what I want to do here and not worry about a solar bill, if you will, you know. Well, a lot of providers basically say, here you can have this package or this package or this package or this package, and it's like, oh, you don't tailor it to my requirements or what I really want, you know. You don't, you know, it's just this or nothing else, you know. Like I did a lot of research, and the Fronius inverters are like the Rolls Royce of inverters, and so, you know, that's what I wanted, and probably 3 out of the 5 companies said they couldn't supply them. You can have this, or, you know what I mean? And you just, like in SnapSolar, just basically tailored the system to me. Yeah, I'm more than well pleased with the, you know, the feedback and how the system was tailored for me. Blown away about, you know, how many troops arrived here. It was like bang, bang, bang in, and there's people there doing this, doing that, you know, like it's just like a swarm came here, and yeah. Oh yeah, 2 days to install a system of this size is, yeah. Well, I thought it'd be, you know, you guys said 3 days and it only took 2, so that's like a bonus, you know. Yeah, I'm more than happy. The installation's very neat, and, you know, yeah, it's just neat and tidy, everything looks good. You know, the shed's pretty, not the best looking shed, but it's definitely improved the shed, really, so yeah. You know, I mentioned to the sales guy, instead of like paying me the referral money, then could you like put a good solid steel box and a inlet for my generator, because we have power loss here, not very frequently, but when we do, I want to be able to, you know, yeah, hook the generator up, and they're more than willing and accommodating for that. And yeah, yeah, I was blown away by yeah, your team doing that. So yeah, you kind of pay for what you get, I think. I believe that these inverters are like, they guarantee them for 10 years, if you don't get me wrong, but I believe that they'll last the 10 years, you know. You know, cheaper inverters could fail and then the service is not there. You guys have been around for quite a while, and I believe you'll be here in the future, so, you know, that's a bit reassuring for me. If I do have any issues, I had a small issue with one inverter wasn't coming online one day, and called you up and you did the computer stuff, and then next minute it's back up, and you did a update on the software update on it, and I think the guy did all the inverters, but yeah, the one that had the problem, it come back online, followed their instructions, you know, really helpful. Yeah, Oh, more than well pleased. And ever since then, haven't had an issue with anything really.